Alright, good day and welcome to today's construction class. My name is Oluwatumbi Blessing Olalekon, the founder of MaekllTech. Alright, we'll be considering the problem as displayed on the screen right here. Problem number 6, conversion from orthographic projection to isometric projection. I'll be using the Autocad software, right, making point A as our lowest point. Making point A as the lowest point. Alright, so to do that, I'm going to actually first of all pick a line from here. Okay, I'm going to draw this line, height of 75, enter, in that order. Alright, so length of 150 right here, enter. Okay, height of, okay, before the height, let me go this way at 30 degrees, 126, enter. Height of 40, enter. Yeah, 126, down again, enter, and close this here first of all. Okay, so from this area, I'm having at 30 degrees 25, enter. Okay, 75, 40, yes, 35, enter, and it corresponds right here. Okay, so at 30 degrees 126, enter, 25, enter, like this. Okay, and at 30 degrees 126, enter, then this right here. Okay, so right here now I'm going to click this at mark of 20, enter. So this place I'm going to do mark of 18, enter, then 90, enter. So then this I'm going to press tab at 120 degrees and tab it back. Okay, so for that area right there, and with my line here, so from here to here like this, perpendicular like that, I'm going to trim this and this out of the way. Alright, so with my line, I go this way at 30 degrees like that. So likewise from here also at 30 degrees likewise. Oh, I think that is not pure. So it's 30 degrees likewise over there. Okay, so this also adds 30 degrees, then this also adds 30 degrees. Okay, so at 120 degrees right there, then at 30 degrees like this. So then with my trim, I trim this, 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 trim this, I trimmed all of this. Alright, then I think I'm going to trim this also. Okay, so having this right here like this, so looking at the problem, this area from the center there is 25 minus 10, that's 15. So with my line, locating the midpoint right here. Okay, that's 30 degree. I go 15, enter. I go this way 30 degrees, I go 10, enter. So I go this way at 20, enter. This way 20, enter. Down here 20, enter. Then what? I close it up right here. So with my trim, I take this off. Then with my line, I draw this. So back to it, from the midpoint to the midpoint 65. Cut 10, 20. That will be what? 45. Okay. So with my line from this at mark 45, enter. So I go this way 30 degrees, 10, enter. Here 20, enter. Here 20, enter. 30 degrees at 20, enter. Then what? Close it up here. So with my trim, I have this off, and with my line, I have what? This connected all the way down here. And that brings us to the end of this particular problem. That's just it. Okay, so kindly ensure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and also refer it to your friends who might be in need of it. Once again, my name remains Oluwatunde Blessing or Lekon, the founder of MaekllTech. Thank you.